Hey Hedgies, welcome back. Today we are cooking up this monstrous feast. We're doing a really easy chicken satay. You don't need hundreds of ingredients for this one, but it tastes superb. Okay, in a small bowl, pop in the peanut butter and a small can of coconut milk. This one's 165ml. Pop in a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of brown sugar, and a tablespoon of curry paste, not curry sauce. You want Thai green or Thai red curry paste. Finally chop up 2 garlic cloves and add them in, and then whisk it all together. Pop some wooden skewers in cold water to soak, or you can use metal ones. Slice up the chicken breasts and then pop them into a Tupperware tub or a ziploc bag. Add in about 1/3 of the satay sauce, and we're going to use that as a marinade. You can cover the rest and put it somewhere cool. I'm also squeezing over a little bit of lime juice and then giving it all a good toss together. Seal the tub or bag and pop somewhere cool. Once your skewers have soaked for at least 30 minutes, then you can thread on your chicken. This is my fabulous Petromax Atago barbecue. Damn, I love this thing. This is the best barbecue I've ever had. Full description below. I'm using some restaurant grade charcoal and a firelighter. I was in a hurry, so shoot me. So fire it up a good 30 minutes before you want to cook, and when your coals are nice and white and ashy, you know you're ready to cook. Depending on the thickness of the chicken, it won't take that long to cook. Hey Sassy. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, please give it the thumbs up. Also feel free to subscribe to my channel because I bring out new campervan and camping recipes every single Wednesday. If you'd like more barbecue recipes, then would you please let me know in the comments below, or if you have an actual specific recipe request, then again let me know in the comments. I hope you all have a wonderful week, that it's sunny and gorgeous where you are, and I will see you next Wednesday. All the best, friends. Sassy, you're not gonna want this because it's got chili peppers in. Oh, it's got chili peppers in. I know it smells good, but you won't like it.